In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Mistral AI agent. We'll start right from the homepage and finish with a working agent you can chat with immediately. Begin by heading to Mistral.ai. At the top of the page, find the Try Studio button and open the small drop-down next to it. From the menu, choose Le Chat. This takes you into Mistral's chat experience, which is also where you'll create and manage agents. Once Le Chat opens, expand the sidebar using the menu icon so you can see all the navigation. In the sidebar, select Agents. You'll land on the Agents dashboard. Click Create an Agent to start a new one. On the Setup screen, click into the highlighted fields to begin editing. Give your agent a clear, memorable name that reflects its role. Next, add the purpose. Think of this as a 1 or 2 sentence mission statement that explains what the agent is for and who it serves. This helps guide behavior and keeps responses on target. Now add the detailed instructions. This is the heart of your agent. Be specific about what it should do, what it should avoid, how it should structure answers, and any priorities it should keep in mind. The more concrete you are, like preferred formatting, depth of detail, and how to handle uncertainty, the more consistent your agent will be. Click. Add guardrails and define boundaries. Use this space to outline safety and scope limits, such as topics the agent should not cover, privacy expectations, and when it should ask clarifying questions instead of guessing. Guardrails help your agent behave reliably across different prompts. Next, adjust the tone. Choose the personalities or style presets that match your use case, whether that's friendly and approachable, concise and technical, or a balanced blend. Keep the tone aligned with your audience so the agent feels consistent across conversations. With the basics in place, try asking your agent something that represents a common real-world task. This is your first quick test. Enter your prompt and click Submit to see how it performs. If the output isn't quite right, refine the purpose, instructions, or guardrails and test again until it matches your expectations. When you're happy with the responses, click Open New Chat to use the agent in a fresh conversation. Back in the chat view, open the sidebar and go to Agents to confirm it's available. From here, you can select at any time to start a session tailored to your configuration. That's it. You've built a Mistral AI agent, set its purpose, safety rules, and tone, and tested it in a live chat.